Here we are in Port Perry on June the 16th, 2017. And we have a couple of green woodworkers going here. We got Thomas and Hugh. Hugh's busy shaving over there on the horse. And Thomas is here working on a pole lathe. Wow. It actually has a bungee cord, but it's called a pole lathe. So, and what are you turning here, Thomas?
I'm turning a piece of red oak.
Piece of red oak, eh? And it's making kind of little chips. If it was green, it would come out
In long ribbons.
little, yeah, ribbons. But this is the greenest piece we could find. So this is what we're going with. So we've got it pretty well rounded down there, eh? And you're already pumping the treadle. We've got a little bit of a stool there because it's a little high. But he's already getting the hang of basically pumping with his feet and then trying to cut at the same time. So we're going to see what we can, see how good he is right here. Go ahead, Tom. Chips are flying there. Pretty good. Wow. Better than I was in my first time. Well, we finally got this pole lathe together after, I don't know, it must be at least 15 years since I used it. So happily the boys came over and Maria was here too. She was shaving on the horse. And we got it together. Pretty good. Oh.